Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and in this video, we're going to look at Halloween decorations for your front yard. When it's October 31st, it's Halloween time, and we're going to strive to be as spooky as possible. Watch until the end to see what you can do in your yard in the coming Halloween season. Jacko Lanterns. The Jacko Lantern is the signature Halloween decoration for every home. Everybody must have one of these to truly usher in the mood. The best part about this decoration is that it comes in various shapes. You can opt for a Skeletor, which is made to look like a live skeleton is jumping out of the pumpkin, or go with the Hoot Owl design. My favorite is the Totoro lantern. Well, this won't scare away the trick-or-treater kids, but it will make your yard look great. Did you know that the Jack-o'-lantern was made to scare away evil spirits on Halloween night? Well, I don't know how the spirits work and what scared them off with this lantern, but it sure did work for them. Bat Wreath. Now this shows the sign of a spooky cave of death. All you need are old books, a wreath form, a black ribbon, a pencil, hot glue, and black cards. Cut your papers into 3-inch circles with a flowery pattern by hand. Wrap the ribbon around the wreath form and secure the ends with glue. Wrap your paper cuttings onto your pencil on the eraser end. Dot the sharp end of the paper or hot glue and press on the wreath form. Repeat until the entire wreath is covered. Cut bat shapes and secure them on the wreath with glue, and you have yourself a bat wreath. Hanging ghosts and skeletons. This is going to spook the neighbors for sure. The ghosts can be made using white sheets and old wigs. Make a head or use an old doll head and cover it with loose white sheet. Make 2 of these and hang them on trees and bushes. The skeletons come in next, as they introduce their spookiness on the windows and decks. This decoration is paired with the jack-o'-lanterns along the driveway. Your neighbors are going to be impressed. Maybe even borrow your idea. You can decide to take things to the next level by tying a thin thread across your front yard. It can be from one tree to another, and hang the ghosts on it. Skull lights. Nothing says Halloween more than bones and skeletons. The decor of a bunch of skeleton lights will demonstrate your creativity on this fun holiday. You can purchase them online or in stores around your area. Hang the skeletons around the front deck and near the windows and doors. You can include your friends or the kids to make it an even more fun holiday. The skulls come in various shades. Try the bright ones to project the lighting and the idea better. You can hang them on the front deck with a thread descending from one window to a nearby bush. Use a soccer goal net and hang toilet paper rolls as cobwebs. Foam graves. The foam graves with a foam tombstone are your best bet for a great Halloween theme. The foams can be engraved with "Rest in Pieces" writings and a skeleton hand at the front. There are so many things you can do with this decor. You can place plastic flowers to mark the grave and scatter bones all around the foam grave. You can even place a sitting ghost on the foam tombstone and secure it to the ground. This is going to scare the trick-or-treaters, and they might run with screams away from your front door at the slightest bang or noise. Giant eyes. I would be spooked by a pair of giant eyes at any front door, and I know you would too. You can purchase styrofoam balls or half spheres of all sizes. If you have flower pots in your front yard, you can place the eyes at the top of any of the bushes. Make sure to insert black pupils with whichever black and round material you opt for. The pupils can be attached with adhesive on the balls. Otherwise, no one will know that they're meant to be eyes. The balls can be attached to your front door with double stick tape and placed on pots. Ensure that your eyes face different directions to make out the idea of eyes everywhere. Well, that's all we had for you today. These ideas are going to bring out the Halloween spirit in your home. We hope that you enjoyed the video as much as we did. And if you have any comments or questions, drop them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe.